Bah Prestone tin song sembut mitrang bah kejala dak bakantai ya kejingkeno bo don jingïapher jingmut bo mitrang bah kejala megalea Conrad ke sangma dak ba pynpaw ya kani ya kejelang haplau office NPP ban pedang burom UMDC kerembra jangam ba bajo pengrup ha ka life witrik luber arjar arpuar kani kejingkentai Bah Prestone kedai nakadau kejingkeli kilat phai kubor hadian kejelang pli ya kejingkeng ha umpling ke belakeli lau don jingïapher jingmut bo Conrad bat hatu unit penyeso no Saka United Democratic Party haswa election MLA arjar arpulai Bah Prestone ula jubab kilat patai kubor dak kabong bakata kadai kejingtep kilat patai kubor bat lada kikwa ban leit penyeso kilat ban len.
We hear things are not well in NPP and we hear you're planning to join UDP.
I think that is your information. So I have nothing to say. If you want to join, you go.
Is it true that Conrad Sangma and Prestone Song is not in a proper way of having a relationship? I was surprised that question asked by the media. I think these people, the very same people, they'll ask you also. Then when I trying to assess it, what's happening, why this question, it never happened. First time ever today morning, I don't think they asked that question. Is there any differences between Conrad Sangma and Prestone Song? Then my simple answer is, you please go and do your research. I don't have to reply. Do your research work. And the research work that you are going to do, that you listen today, it came out from the mouth of Bah Prestone. NPP is one. NPP is one only. There is no two NPP, no three NPP. We are one. And why Bah Prestone joined NPP, the main reason he wanted to tell all of us here, the fighting, the infighting in the Congress party is too much. You have Congress A, B, C, D, E, F, up to Y, Z, whatever. That's why it was compelled Prestone to come out and join NPP.
Nakaliang Conrad loong bau sungau samut ya ke bau sembut mitrang ba ula pynpaw bat ong ba ka parti ke trelang bat kamdan kanu ke jingïapher jingmut.
I was really amused just few minutes back when Awang, our Deputy CM, had made that statement. And I would like to also just add to that. Any organization or any political party is made up of human beings and individuals. Everybody will have their own views on a stand. Everybody will have their own opinions about a certain issue. But it is the organization's character, the individuals in the party, their character, that will define whether those issues or those differences will make the party weaker or make the party stronger. And I'll tell you that the biggest difference or the biggest plus point that I tell everybody that the National People's Party has, among many other points, is that the leadership, at whatever level it may be, we don't move ahead with egos. There is no room for ego or no room for misunderstanding among us. Yes, there may be differences. I may feel that certain issue must be approached in a certain way. Somebody else may feel that it must be approached in a certain way. But what is important is that we have to keep in mind the ultimate goal and the vision of the party, the organization, which is to serve the people of our state, our region, and our country.